Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you, can you withdraw money from Coingecko? The quick answer is no. Coingecko isn't a wallet or exchange. It's a cryptocurrency data aggregator. This means it provides real-time information like prices, charts, market caps, and trading volumes across different exchanges. It's an excellent research tool, but it doesn't store your funds or allow trading or withdrawals. If you're looking to withdraw your crypto into cash, here's how you can do it safely. Use CoinGecko to research trustworthy exchanges such as Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, or OKX, and check their trust scores. Once you've chosen one, create an account, transfer your crypto from your wallet to the exchange, and sell it for flat currency. Afterward, connect your bank account and withdraw your funds. CoinGecko is your go-to platform for data and insights, while the exchange is where your crypto truly turns into cash. So use both wisely to stay informed and secure. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.